You're welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to make a game pass in Please Donate. Looking right here on the screen, you can see the message I'm seeing right here. Now it says here, now you have to create a game pass on Roblox website in order to start earning Robux. Press view tutorial now in order to know how. So in order for you to actually do this, in order for you to create a game pass on your Roblox, right here on your Please Donate, this is what you simply need to do. So let me simply log out from the game. So right here, I'm going to simply log out from the game. So once you log out from the game completely like this, the next step you need to take here, let's simply go to the home page. So right here is your home page on your Roblox account. Now the next step you need to take here in order for you to create a game pass in Please Donate, this is what you can simply do. Just go ahead and click on the more option at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, you're going to see these options. So you just need to scroll and click on create. Once you click on create like this is what you're going to see. Everyone on Roblox actually have a place. So looking right here, you can see your place right here below experiences. You can see your place here. So you just need to go ahead and tap on your place. So once you do that, this is actually your place. The next step you need to take here is to click on the three-line icon at the top left corner. Once you click on that like this, you'll be able to see monetization. So if you expand the monetization section like this, you'd now be able to see passes. So now go ahead and click on passes like this. Once you do that, right here, you just need to go ahead and scroll, and then you are going to see the option of create a pass. So you need to go ahead and click on create a pass. This was the one I created before. So you need to go ahead and click on create a pass like this. Once you do that, go ahead and give it a name and a description. Now let's say Please Donate. Now remember, this name is actually going to be displayed on your game. So right here, you just need to go ahead and give it a name and a description, then go ahead and click on create pass. So looking right here on the screen, you've been able to create a pass. Looking there on the screen, you can see the pass that we created. So looking there, you can see that the current price on it is off sale. So this is what you need to do next. Go ahead and tap on it like this. So once you do that, looking right here, you can actually change the picture if you want, but I'm not going to be doing that. So I'm going to just simply go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top left corner. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see basic setting, and below it you can see sales. So you just need to go ahead and click on sales like this. So looking right here, you can see default price. You can actually use the default price, but I'm going to actually input my own price here. So let's say 45 Robux. So this is my own price, which is 45. I don't want to use the default price. Now remember, your in from this is actually just 70%. So once you input the price you want it to be, you can now go ahead and click on save changes like this, and then go ahead and click on proceed. So once you do this, you've been able to create a game pass on your Roblox. The next step you need to take here is to move out from this section. And let's simply go back to our home page and search for the Please Donate game. So once you do that, looking right here, you can see the Please Donate game. If you click on it like this and click on play, let's go ahead and click on play. So let's simply go ahead and follow this arrow in order for us to be able to claim our Robux. So right here is the stand. Looking right here, you can see stand. Just go ahead and tap and hold it like this. So looking right here on the screen, you can see that my game pass is now showing on my stand. So this is how simple it is for you to make a game pass in Please Donate. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on App Fix and Aim channel. See you in the next one.